called Fly Away Bluebird. And I'm not sure if anyone has heard of the poem There's a Bluebird in My Heart by Charles Bukowski, but it is the song's inspiration. So the official name of the song is Fly Away Bluebird, inspired by Charles Bukowski's There's a Bluebird in My Heart. If you haven't heard, y'all should go listen. It's a really good song. Sorry, poem. What's that in your eye, little bluebird? Is it a glimpse of freedom you had never seen? All these years your home was in my heart, but now a love has made its home inside of me. So fly away, bluebird. You're free to go wherever your heart desires. And it's okay, bluebird, because the coldness in my heart is now a fire. How's your taste of freedom, little bluebird? Is it everything you dreamed that it would be? And do you ever think about the home you left behind? It's okay, this heart is not empty. Love has made its home inside of me. So fly away.